Hi, welcome back to another video. My name is Roberto George and today I'll show you how to safely use the LX-C2000 step-down travel voltage converter from Ceptics. This device allows you to use USA-made devices, 110, 120 volts appliances in countries with 220, 240 like Germany, France, Spain, Australia or even Portugal, which is where I'm located right now. So please watch this entire guide before using the device so that you can safely travel. Inside the package you will find the main unit, the power cords, international plug attachments and the user manual. Now the LX-C2000 features the Ceptics SWAD apt technology, which will allow you to slide the plug that you need without having to buy a new kit or a new adapter. And you will be able to find all 14 attachments on the Ceptics website. And now let's take a quick look at the main unit. Now in the front it includes a dedicated 2000 watt outlet here for compatible hair dryers, two 200 watt outlet for the low power appliances like a hair straightener or curling irons, and USB charging ports including a USB Type-C port with power delivery up to 18 watts, charging for phones, electronics featuring smart voltage technology. Now on the side is the power input where you will connect your power cord. And before connecting any device here, please review these safety rules. The 2000 watt socket is designed only for hair dryers. Do not connect any hair straighteners, hair curlers or hair brushes, CPAP machines, coffee machines or any other electronic to this outlet right over here. Using the wrong device might damage your equipment or even the converter. This device is not compatible with digital or smart hair dryers from brands like Dyson or Shark or any other electronic controlled styling tool. Only use dryers with simple mechanical buttons or switches. Hair straighteners can be connected to the 200 watt socket, however some straighteners are still incompatible, even if they are labeled with low wattage consumption. For example, a hair straightener that is rated for 48 watts of consumption, it might draw about 350 or 400 during the warming process on the beginning, and that's a no-go for the converter, because the limit here is 200 watts, and in this example we are exceeding by 350 or 400 and it will not support it. So if the converter shuts off, just unplug the device immediately. This just indicates that it's incompatible with the converter. Now if your hairdryer includes a earth leakage protection plug, follow this procedure. Always turn the dryer switch off before plugging in it. Connecting while switched on may cause a surge and trigger the protection plug. So if protection trips, press the reset button on the dryer plug, and if the dryer still does not operate, the device is incompatible. And now that you know what you can plug and what you can't plug, let's see how easy it is to actually use it. Now choose the adapter that matches your destination country, just slide it into the converter until it locks securely. Plug the converter into the wall outlet first and then power it on. The indicator light confirms that it's ready. Connect your compatible mechanical hair dryer to the 2000 watt outlet and connect your other single voltage appliances to the 200 watt outlet. For example, I've got an electric toothbrush right over here. And finally, to charge devices like my smartphone, any tablets, an electric trimmer or any device that has USB, I will just use the USB ports and that's it. It works as simple as this. And that's how easy it is to use the LX-C2000 travel adapter from Ceptics. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. I wish you safe travels and goodbye.